Good day. You are welcome to our home. You are welcome to our land where nothing, absolutely nothing, is impossible before God Almighty. What I have to discuss with you today, please give me an audience and listen very attentively. You will get the message raw, not cooked. Yes, you know, according to Bible said, except a camel pass through the eyes of a needle, that is when some blessings will come to some people's hand. I want us to go on an exile. This assignment is beyond our imagination. Many may imagine and tell you what you need, what and what not you need to do. I want you to get a hair on your private parts, both your armpits, yes, and the hair on your head. You get it? Can you see? When you get it, please get a needle. Get a needle. Put only single needle into it like this. When you put the needle into it, get bay leaf, seven bay leaf, put inside, and get 3 seeds of alligator pepper. Put 1 into your mouth, 3 into this thing you are preparing. This thing we are preparing is to make the impossible possible. Except the enemy know the numbers of my hair, that is when I will not be blessed. It can take the wisest man eternity to cut a little portion of your hair like this. He can't get it. Who is he that will battle with the Lord? Who will say a thing that will come to pass while God has not said it yet? When you bond these things together, grind them into powder, pour it inside your bathing water, and bathe with it. Remove the needle and keep it until you get a testimony. When you have a testimony, you can discard.